Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.